Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn, and this is going to be part 2 of my mini scrapbook that I am creating. If you missed part 1, I'll link to it in the upper right hand corner. And this is just a continuation of decorating some more pages. So in part 1, I decorated the first 4 pages, or the first two-page spreads, because that's sort of how I'm approaching these, as 2-page spreads. And in this video, I'll do another 4 pages, or another two-page spreads. And then in my third video, I'll show how to bind everything. And I'm working with supplies that I got from my June design team goodies from the White Rose Crafts online shop. And I chose a lot of pet oriented or dog specific oriented supplies. So I thought this would be really helpful to keep the supplies minimal so that I'm just not overwhelmed with options and choices. So for me, that it actually helps me a lot to kind of constrain myself. And that's sort of how I approach my art journaling as well. I just sort of limit myself to a couple of papers or colors or media supplies, whatever have you, and that seems to help me unlock some creativity. So what I'm gonna do is what I'm doing in terms of the layouts is not too inventive, I don't think. So I'm not gonna record a voiceover for this entire video. I'm just gonna set the rest of the video to some music. I think the only thing that might be worth mentioning is the dimension of this mini scrapbook. So it's 4¼ tall by 6¾ wide, and the extra ½ inch on the width is to accommodate the binding. And otherwise, I chose this size so that it can perfectly fit an entire 6x6 sheet, so that I can make really efficient use of a 6x6 paper pad, which is also kind of similar to if you were scrapping on a 12x12 scale. This is just miniaturized, so that's why I'm calling it my mini scrapbook. And the photo mats are designed for photos that are 3x4 inches. So when you see the scale and the dimension of everything, hopefully those dimensions help give some context to the scale of this project. And I think that's probably the only thing that bears mentioning. So I won't be rejoining you at the end with a voiceover, so I'll just say my goodbyes now. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fantastic day. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.